It's Ask Misty Monday. I say it every single Monday. It's my favorite day of the week, and the reason why is because I feel like I'm a little bit more connected to you by you guys sending us questions to our Facebook, our Instagram, or our Twitter, or you can always leave us a comment right here down below. It helps us to come up with a Monday video. And so every week I have somebody read the question, and today Riley's here. Hey, Riley.
Hello. Okay, so the question this week is, hey Misty, I just started watching your channel and I'm really thinking about starting my own. Do you have any advice or tips for me?
I have lots of advice and lots of tips, but the first thing that I'm going to tell you is to stop thinking and start doing. I had these shirts made up for our vision board classes because every single time we do a vision board class, somebody has something that they want to do, but they just don't do it. And so the plan, cross it out, and act came from that, from those people in our classes. And so you just have to do it. I have that ability to do that, and I always have, like, oh, I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. Oh, I'm gonna go on this trip. Oh, I'm gonna do this. I'm a really great, fast decision maker, and I can't say that all the decisions that I've ever made have been the right one, but I wouldn't have known if it was the right one or not unless I did it. So I'm just gonna say you have to do it. And of course, everything that you do on the journey and the path of making it happen, it can be a challenge, but you're gonna learn from it and you're gonna grow. And so I wouldn't call myself an expert YouTuber. I mean, we're still trying to grow our channel, but if there's anything I can do to directly help you, I want to encourage you to reach out to me. You're not the first person that's asked this question. I actually have another friend who said, I'm thinking about doing a YouTube channel, and I told her to do it, and she is a planner and an organizer, so I know it was really hard for her, but she did it, and I'll link one of her videos so you can see what a great job she's doing in the beginning stages of her YouTube channel. I actually hope to do a collaboration video with her soon. And then actually a few days ago, she was here and we were talking about that exact thing. And she said that her and her husband had gone on a trip to Costa Rica, and that she heard those words come back again to her when the lady in Costa Rica said, oh, we'd love to have destination weddings here at this beautiful resort that we have. And she said she just picked up her camera and she just did it, and she started filming. And I think she said that they're able to offer a wedding package for under $15,000 for a destination wedding. So I'm gonna clarify that with her, and or you can watch her channel, and that would be even better, wouldn't it? So go support her. So like, again, I said it before and I'll say it again. Stop planning, and start acting. I hope that helps. We're here for you every single day, Monday through Friday. Our videos drop at 5:30 in the morning, so they're there for you all day long. You have plenty of time to watch them. The greatest gift that you could give to us at our YouTube channel is by hitting the like and subscribe button and hit that little bell so you know at 5:30 the video's there waiting for you. And I will be here tomorrow. And until then, happy manifesting.